What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. You know we're all about pushing the limits of our builds, and today we're talking about taking your KA to the next level. We've all been there, searching for the perfect combination of reliability and raw horsepower. That's why I rely on Brian Crower, also known as RunBC. When it comes to valve train components, BC is the first name that comes to mind, and for good reason. Let's talk about valve springs. These bad boys have impeccable spring rates that give you the headroom to send your KA to the moon and back without having to worry about valve float. Titanium retainers are another must for any serious build. They're lighter than steel retainers, which reduces rotational mass and allows the engine to rev more freely. And we all love high revs. But what about improving airflow? BC's Stage 3 272 camshafts will get you the best bang for your buck, improving your engine's volumetric efficiency and power output with no compromise. Bottom line, Brian Crower delivers. They've been setting the standard for KA performance for years, and their commitment to quality is unmatched. From the street to the track, BC components will give you the edge you need. And because you're a part of the Built to Boost family, we got a special hookup. I'm so excited I'm able to extend this discount to you guys. Head over to runbc.com, build out your entire list of everything you want, screenshot it, jump over to your email, and then in your subject, I want you to put Built to Boost 10. As long as you got that, your entire list of everything you're trying to get is gonna be a 10% off discount. And like I said, I'm so excited to be able to extend this to you guys. I want this to be a very long time sponsor with BC. Thanks to Brian Crower for sponsoring this video. Now it's time to get back to the action. RunBC has really set us up good to get the most horsepower out of this KA, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna be running. So to start it all off, we went to the Stage 3 272 cams. When upgrading to these Stage 3 272 cams, you do have to run the dual valve spring. If you do not run the dual valve spring, you'll get valve float, you'll drop valves, you'll destroy your engine if you do not run those springs. And also to help with your weight savings, the titanium retainers is a must. They're a lot better than the steel retainers. They just look better. Now it's time, we need to get the exhaust valves lapped. Once we get the exhaust valves lapped, we can go ahead and get springs, retainers, everything installed on that side. to go ahead and bore you guys with doing ultrasonic cleaning again, but I did go through and get all of the hardware completely cleaned up. I almost made the big oof of installing the cams before it was even on the block. So I'm glad I caught that. That would have been so much work to have to undo. There are a few other things that I want to get taken care of, like getting the block painted, getting a couple other things done with the head. We did get a lot of work done. So the head is complete up to the cams. I can't install the cams until the head is on the block. All the hardware has been cleaned. We do have everything pretty much to the point where the next video we will be doing the full assembly of the engine. The main girdle, I am switching from the bolts and using studs instead of the bolts, so it's going to be a lot stronger. Be on the lookout for the next video. Like I said, it will be a full assembly, and I'm going to have to say it. Full assembly of a 1000 horsepower KA is coming up really fast. With all this being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this one. Don't forget, you guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good day.